got to do it all the way along, and from there to there. Closer to the bit. Okay.
Yes people, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be fitting the front splitter, V.3 front splitter. Here it is, Maxton design front splitter. V.3 front splitter. This is what we are going to be fitting today. Screws with it. They actually come with it. Same with the side skirts as well. They came with a little manual as well in the box on how to install. But other than that, catch you on the other side.
It's saying you can use glue, but I don't think glue would be the better option out of them. You can either use the nuts and bolts, like what we're going to do today, or you can use sealant. Yeah, so this is good. Clear sealant is good in case at a later date you want to remove the splitter. You can just take the splitter off and peel the sealant off without damaging your paintwork. Obviously with glue you couldn't really do that. You could do that, but there will be some marking once you've taken it off. But yeah, sealant, also as well heat resistant sealant and a clear sealant.
Yeah, I think clear sealant, but I think where it's so low under the engine that I think the heat won't bother it. It's good, it's water repellent as well. So
bro recommends if you are going to do it, you should get sealant. Alright, so while bro's under there trying to sort out the under tray and stuff, I'm gonna go and I'll stick these on. What we have to do, obviously we've got the front splitter on, but then this little bumper slash under tray bit was giving us trouble to get back on. whilst we had the front splitter off. So what we have to do, we have to take the bumper off, clip this back in, as you can see, clips in, as you can see it clips in. I'm just gonna line them up with the drill holes in this so the screws can go through. Tighten up the splitter. Oh yeah, we'll get the splitter back on, tighten up the bolts for the splitter, and then put the bumper back onto the car. So whilst the bumper's off as well, I'm going to slap on the badge, put this on the grille, put the badge on the front. Job done. I'm screwed in the bolts, put the washer and nut on top. Yeah, so we've done, what have we done, bro? We've done 4 each side, yeah?
4 each side, and 1, 2 in the middle where the bars are.
2 in the middle where the bars are, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 in the middle. So
Yeah.
10 all in all.
Yeah, 10 nuts and bolts, but
And a washer.
yeah, and washers. But we're gonna, I think we might take away 2 of the bolts
Yeah.
and fit
Screws, okay.
yeah, self-tapping screws.
Okay.
Alright, so go bottom one.
Bottom one ready, yeah?
Yep. Let's put it. It's gonna. That's it. Alright. Yeah, good. Yep. That's it.
Nobody's perfect, I'll never try. No, but I promise I'm worth it if you just open up your eyes. I don't need a second chance, I need a friend, someone who's gonna stand by me right there till the end. If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky, I could be the fire in your darkest night, I could be your curse or your angel, it's all in how you love me. I could be your sun when it's cold outside, I could be your rock when there's nowhere to hide, I could be your curse or your angel, it's all in how you love me. It's how you love me.
Alright guys, so there you have it, the Maxton design V.3 front splitter fitted to the S3. I hope you guys like it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Also as well, if you're going to do it, it's best to use sealant with the nuts and bolts. I just went for the nuts and bolts the same way like I did when I did my side skirts. Just went with the nuts and bolts. But if you are going to do it, the recommended method be using the sealant and the nuts and bolts. Shout out Bro as well for fitting the side skirts. Shout out Maxton Design as well for supplying the side skirts. So that's it for this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Until the next time, we will catch you up on the next one.
Someone who's gonna stand by me right there till the end. If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky, I could be the fire in your darkest night, I could be your curse or your angel, it's all in how you love me. I could be your sun when it's cold outside, I could be your rock when there's nowhere to hide, I could be your curse or your angel, it's all in how you love me. It's how you love me.